Good morning everybody. Very good morning to third year students. Now we are starting with a new practical and the heading of the practical is production of ethyl alcohol. Okay. This is very interesting practical and we are able to understand each and every point very clearly when we will discuss it. So we are starting with the equation which will give us very clear idea that how ethyl alcohol can be produced by utilization of sugar. So first of all, production of alcohol. Production of alcohol. Now we know that microorganisms carry out so many different biochemical activities, and at the end of the biochemical activities they produce certain end products, and these end products are exploited by fermentation technology. They are called fermentation products. These fermentation products can be produced in bigger industries by exploitation of different microorganisms. Here we are interested in production of alcohol. So we will write down the equation. From the carbohydrate, there will be production of alcohol and also carbon dioxide. These are main two end products of certain microorganisms. We can Okay, so this is the exact reaction which happens during the production of alcohol. From the sugar, here we have taken sugar glucose. From the glucose, there will be production of ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is the gas and it is released in the form of bubbles. This particular technology is exploited in bakery industry and in the industry producing fermented foods. Okay, we have very good example of our bread, that why there will be very sponginess of the bread. That is because of the production of carbon dioxide, and that is why it will make the material food very soft and it will also have the porous appearance. Okay, so that is because of the release of carbon dioxide. Fine. Now we will try to understand that how this entire reaction takes place. Okay. Certain microorganisms are sugar loving. They are called saccharolytic. They are called saccharolytic organisms. Especially we are talking about yeast cultures. Yeasts are saccharolytic organisms. They are unicellular fungi and they are able to produce alcohol by using different sugars. Okay? Fine. Now, why this particular capacity is found in yeast? Only one reason behind that they have the enzyme machinery. They have different enzymes for degradation and utilization of carbohydrates. Now these carbohydrates are provided in different forms. These carbohydrates may be in the pure form. For example, it may be glucose, it may be sucrose, it may be any type of polysaccharide. Any type of polysaccharide can also be taken. For example, we can take lignocellulose or we can take cellulose. And also we can take the starch molecules or starch material. So either we can have use of the sugars or we can have the use of polysaccharides. Anything will give us end product alcohol when we are using yeast cultures. Here we are using yeast culture, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is the oval shaped yeast culture which is usually found to reproduce by budding. Okay, it exhibits multilateral budding mechanism. Okay, now Saccharomyces cerevisiae is usually taken from glucose yeast extract agar slants. These cultures are usually preserved in the form of the slants. Okay, so from these pure culture slants we are taking the yeast for our inoculum preparation. Now what is the use of this alcohol, especially ethyl alcohol, which is going to be produced by the fermentation? Okay, it is a very good organic solvent. Ethyl alcohol is a very good organic solvent. Okay, so many different industries are utilizing this alcohol in the form of solvent. Other thing is, it is mainly used in preparation of alcoholic beverages. Okay, alcoholic beverages are nothing but they are different type of wines and beers. Okay, now how there will be difference in wines and beers? It completely depend on two different criteria. Okay, which microorganism is used for preparation or production of alcohol or alcoholic beverage, and other thing is what type of material or substrate is utilized for production of alcoholic beverage. Okay,